Let us understand the step-by-step process of preparing a percentage-wise work order in StrategicERP. Navigate to the Requisition for Services form under the Contractors Management module. Select percentage as the basis of measurement. Relevant fields will auto-populate based on this selection. Select the project name, subproject name and group name. The group name details will be fetched from the Project WBS form. Select the level of activity and the percentage-wise activity code. The unit, estimated quantity, balance quantity, total quantity and provided quantity will auto-populate based on your selection. Under the Work Order Details tab, enter the description and detailed description along with the percentage bifurcation. Select the unit based on the work order. You can view the percentage bifurcation of each work order. Save the data and follow the necessary steps for approval. Once approved, you can view the work order in the Comparison Percentage-wise form under the Contractors Management module. Select the entry, and the data will be fetched automatically. Enter the rate for unit quantity. Select the GST number, SAC code and tax code. Based on the rate and quantity, the total amount with the tax code will be calculated automatically. You can also view the work details and tax details entry. Add tax details and remarks, if applicable. Save the data and follow the necessary steps for approval. Once approved, the comparison percentage-wise entry will be available in the work order percentage-wise form. Select the entry and add terms and condition details under the Terms and Conditions tab. You can also add additional details such as credit terms and subject. Click Print to save it as a PDF. The process of preparing a percentage-wise work order is now complete.